So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to print directly from your AutoCAD. You don't need to save it as a PDF, you don't need to save it in anything, just print directly from AutoCAD. So let's say I want to print this file from my AutoCAD directly to my printer. So we'll go simply by plot. If you don't know how to plot a sheet or a drawing, I've made a whole separate video for that. And also, if you don't know how to set up the settings of plot, I've even made a different video on that. So I'll just select previous plot for now. And here what you need to do is you have to add your printer in this format here. So you need to go in properties and add your printer from there, and then you have to select the printer. Like I have one printer, that is this one, not. And if you have any other printer like Epson, Canon, anything, you just need to add that to this printer slash plotter menu down here, and then you need to just plot the sheet. And just when you press OK, the print will be out. That's it. So it was so simple video, and share it with someone who may need it. And with your architect friend who doesn't know how to print directly from AutoCAD, this video is for them. Share it with them, and thank you for watching.